This is a News 3 Now special report.
Thank you for joining the coronavirus special report. I'm Keely Arthur. The death toll has surged to 323 coronavirus deaths overnight here in the U.S., and cases continue to rise around Wisconsin. Governor Tony Evers is reminding all Wisconsinites to take this seriously and stay home.
Whatever we can do to stay at home will help those healthcare workers do the jobs that they need to do to help us get through this.
Now, we expect the numbers of cases here in Wisconsin to surpass 300 today. The health department releases new numbers at 2 p.m. and as of Saturday, we were at 295 here in our state. 49 of those cases are in Dane County. Jefferson County confirmed its second positive case this weekend, while Milwaukee County is now at 139 confirmed cases, including the state's fourth death, which was confirmed this morning. More than 4,600 Wisconsinites have tested negative for the virus. Some good news there. Well, meanwhile, across America, doctors and nurses say they don't have the equipment needed to fight the virus. President Trump insists that help is still coming, saying his administration is moving quickly to provide medical testing and supplies needed to fight the virus. The government is spending $500 million to order those N95 masks doctors and nurses say they need desperately, but the president suggested reusing the masks.
They're thrown away, and when you hear 55 million masks were ordered, I'm saying 55 million, how could it possibly be such a number? And I said, why aren't we sanitizing masks?
But the CDC says masks can really only be reused on a very limited case. CBS News has also learned that intelligence agencies were issuing warnings about the spread of coronavirus to the president beginning at least in January. The president disputed that this weekend and faulted China for not being more forthcoming about the virus. Senators are still working through the weekend to put together their Phase 3 emergency stimulus package. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says he plans on holding a procedural vote today. The latest estimates have the bill costing more than $2 trillion. The FDA has approved the use of the first rapid diagnostic test for coronavirus testing. The new test can detect coronavirus in just 45 minutes. The test will begin shipping this week. And Americans, of course, will have their eyes locked on the stock market this week as indices could reach another milestone low. On Wall Street, we're now flirting with going below the 19,000 mark. The Dow plummeted another 900 points Friday. The Nasdaq lost 271 and the S&P 500 fell 104.5. Back in Wisconsin, the far-reaching impacts of the virus are being felt right here in Dane County. Work operations will be suspended at the Sub-Zero Inc. starting with third shift tonight. The plant is temporarily laying off more than 1,000 employees at its Fitchburg location. The plant closure and most layoffs are expected to last until at least April 13th, but the company says some employees will not be brought back. And UW-Madison is trying to speed up the process of emptying its residence halls. The housing department is creating online sign-up sheets to spread out the move-out schedule over the next few weeks. The UW is trying to help students and families maintain social distancing and reduce parking and traffic concerns. UW-Madison canceled all face-to-face instruction for the rest of the semester earlier this week. And if you're able to donate some of your time, we have a list of ways to help up on our website, channel3000.com. Now, United Way of Wisconsin, Serve Wisconsin, and Wisconsin Volunteer Coordinators Association have created a COVID-19 initiative on the Volunteer Wisconsin website. That site is a central location for local organizations to post about what they need to help provide critical services, including food distribution, supplementing staff at medical and care facilities, and transportation to cover appointments. Well, we are tracking a lot of developments as the COVID-19 situation escalates, and you can find the latest information here on air and on our website or our Channel 3000 app. We thank you for watching this special report.